Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a hill climbing test. And there's a giant hill, which I'll show a picture kind of like a side angle so you can get a perspective of how steep it is, because it is really steep. And we're going to do a couple tests. There's a couple hills I want to see how well the dual motors do. I know how well it does, but I want to show you guys. So we're just taking a stroll over. It's about 3 or 4 miles from my house, maybe less actually. And then that's pretty much it. It is a hot one today. It's gotten up to, I think, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It's currently 94. Alright, here we go. Actually, before I do this, it doesn't look like much now, but it will when I get going here. Here we go. This is a pretty steep hill. I'm going to try to do no pedaling. Well, I might pedal to start, but we're going to go both throttles and try to make this work. Probably just do everything to help myself out.
That's what she said.
And we're doing practically 21 miles an hour all the way up it. We're gonna drop down in the 20s, I think. But actually, you can probably go faster if I pedal harder. This is a pretty steep hill. There's a steeper one, I think, on the next round. So we'll probably go that way. There's a giant house up here. That was close. And there's a deer. Hello. How you doing? Look at him, he's like right here.
Dumbass! There's my boy!
Can I take your picture? Hello. How you doing? Are you all alone? Are you good? I wish I had some food. Alright, so now we're gonna go. Bye-bye. Just chilling. Well, that was a surprise. Saw a deer immediately at the top of that hill. All right, there's another one down here. I thought this looped around, but I guess not. We're gonna go down that hill. I'll probably do a swing around the park and then we'll go back up it and then go that way home, I think. Maybe. We might go the back way home, I don't know. We'll see. This hill. Let me switch camera angles here. It's always hard to put in perspective how steep these hills are. So I tried to draw it on the screen to make it a little bit easier to follow, but the video does not really give it justice, so I'm trying to demonstrate what that is. Still 22 miles an hour, roughly, making it all the way up here. Killed my battery pretty good here. At least my main electric battery. Let's look and see what we got. 50.6. Yeah, I got probably I maybe drained a quarter of the battery. That's not too bad. Hey, turtle. You gonna make it? Come on. Come on, bud. Walk. You're gonna get ran over. I know. There you go. Gotta help the turtles. I'm not really sure where he's going. Maybe we should move him even further out. Where are you going, dude? You climbing to the lakes? Okay, see ya. I don't know where he would be going, but he was in the middle of the road. Might be going right there. Saving one turtle at a time, as Moto Cheese would say. I doubt there's too many people in the park right now. It's pretty hot out, which is good for me. if you see little kids out, especially right next to the bike lane, whatever this is called, trail, bike trail, walking trail, both. If you see a kid, slow down. Make sure they don't run out in the middle of the road. Make sure you can brake in enough time to save yourself, your bike, and the kid. And we're gonna cross down here. Get this done. I would like to go to the other park that's over here. So this is the Merrimack River. I've been here a few times. It runs right by this park. It floods a lot here, and this river gets all the way up to over this road. So hasn't happened yet this year, but usually around July is when it happens and it gets really high. But right now it looks like it's flowing pretty well. I don't even know if you guys can see that or not. Probably, but I do have a pretty special announcement that's going to be happening here soon. I can't really say anything about it, but next week or next weekend, you should see a couple new videos about a new product that's coming my way. So I'm excited to announce that to you guys. I'm getting close to that 1,000 sub mark, so as soon as I hit that, I plan to do a lot of stuff for you guys, giveaways and chances to win certain things. But for now, my goal is just to make it to 1,000 by the end of the year. I still have several months, so I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. But I checked today, I was at 907. I just hit 900 a couple days ago, and we're almost there. Once I hit 1,000 subs, then things start happening on YouTube. So I can do live streams and all kinds of stuff that I can't do when I don't have 1,000 subs. So if you got a chance, go down there, just hit that subscribe button. It'll greatly help the channel and myself and allow me to bring you more content, and I'm excited to share the exciting news next week. So be on the lookout. Should be happening probably next weekend sometime. It might be the following week. It just depends on how long it takes me to shoot and edit the video I'm getting ready to make, but stay tuned for that. And if you want to get notified when I upload a video about that, when you subscribe, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you hit that and you choose to get all notifications, you get notified anytime I upload. So click that subscribe button, change your notifications to all, and then you'll know exactly when I upload and hear the announcements that I'm going to be making. So this is just a quick hill test video. I just wanted to show you what this thing can do with the dual motors. It's actually pretty incredible. I can do 20 miles an hour up a really steep hill without pedaling or anything. Now I did pedal some to help it, but you don't have to. I mean, you could pretty much go full throttle for a long time without having to worry about it. So we're gonna head home now. I gotta get something to eat and drink and finish editing this video, try to get it up by tomorrow for you guys. And if you have any questions down below, you can leave a comment, and I'm always active in my commenting section, at least for now, until I start getting more people watching my videos. But I try to respond to almost everybody I can. And if you have any questions or comments or anything you want to know or anything you feel like sharing, leave them down below, and I'll be there to to talk to you. So have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you later.